Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a construction site bill. First, thoroughly review your contract to understand payment terms, including submission deadlines and required documentation. Next, meticulously track all work performed, materials consumed, and equipment utilized on site. Finally, ensure you have all necessary approvals and certifications in hand before preparing your payment application. This foundational work is crucial for a smooth billing process. Now, let's look at the essential components of your construction bill. Every invoice should clearly display project details, client information, and a unique invoice number for easy tracking. Itemize all work, materials, and services provided, offering clear, concise descriptions and corresponding costs. Finally, explicitly state the total amount due, your payment terms, and the exact due date to avoid any confusion. Accurate documentation is paramount for successful billing. Maintain detailed daily logs of labor hours, equipment usage, and all material deliveries to the site. Crucially, document all change orders and extra work, ensuring you have written client approval before proceeding. Furthermore, utilize photographs and comprehensive site reports to visually support your progress claims, providing undeniable evidence of work completed. Once your bill is prepared, timely submission is key. Always submit your payment applications promptly, adhering strictly to all contractual deadlines to ensure smooth processing. Maintain detailed records of every submitted invoice and all related communications for your reference. If a payment becomes overdue, follow up professionally within 7 days, providing a gentle reminder and offering assistance if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.